We often wondered if all these problems can be solved with just one bag. We've been thinking about how to solve these problems during our previous 12 years in the bag making industry. It can be widened to hold any items needed for a few days on a business trip. Are you worried that the bag will start to sag if you put lots of things in there? BTBAG's unique design allows it to maintain the same shape even if you pack it to the brim. There are pockets for all the items you need to bring. There are 32 versatile and useful pockets sized from 13 to 17 inches, and even allows for the tablet PC to be stored separately. Whether a sunny weather, rain, or snow, wherever you go, the BT bag brings comfort for you. Even with all these features, this bag only weighs about 3.3 pounds. Additionally, the bag's packaging material has been processed in an eco-friendly recycled poly bag. The BT bag provides you with an attractive fashion element that naturally fits with any outfit and promises to upgrade your life 24/7. One BT bag is suitable for whatever you need.